Welcome back. Today we're going to talk about a few important things you need in life, and if you wait to decide, it could cost you a lot of time and money. Al Spiegel and Mike Bertling are partners and attorneys with McClario, Helm, Bertling, and Spiegel, and they are here with 5 situations when it is helpful to have a law firm for life. What's up, gentlemen?
Good morning, Molly.
Hi, Molly.
Good morning to both of you. If you would, before we get to the 5 situations real quick, what does it mean to have a law firm for life?
Well, there's so many complicated situations that come up, and the last thing you want to be doing in a situation like that is introducing yourself to a new professional who you don't know. So our concept is we want you to know us so that when those situations come up, you have someone who's familiar, who you know is competent, and who knows your backstory so that we can help you really effortlessly with whatever's going on in your life.
I like that idea.
Yeah, despite...
Go ahead.
Go ahead. I was going to say, despite, what people plan on, you just never know when something might come up. And, we know it's sometimes a little stressful to call up a lawyer and to meet with a lawyer for the first time. So if we can be your law firm for life, we can help you in every situation that might come up. Plus, we, handle most areas of the law.
I like that. And it's before you have a case or a legal matter that you establish this relationship, which I think is key. Okay, so let's get to the 5 situations.
All right, situation number 1. We just finished doing a video series on this on our YouTube channel, starting a new business. You got all these things going on. You're working on financing, you're working on products, you're working on employees. You want to have a lawyer who's ready to answer your questions without having to, like I said, introduce yourself to someone new. So starting a new business or buying a new business is a big opportunity.
Yeah, huge opportunity and a lot of legal issues. What's number 2?
Number 2 is a car accident. I mean, we're getting into that season where it's going to be slippery out. And, a car accident is just what it is. It's an accident. Nobody plans for it. And despite thinking about it or thinking you have a plan, when that happens, it's very stressful. And, if you have a law firm that you can call immediately and talk to and get some advice, free of charge, that's what we're here for. And that's a real benefit for anybody who is, facing that stressful situation.
Great point. Planning for the unexpected. What about number 3?
Number 3, having a new baby. A time in your life that I've been through 6 times now, where you're tired, you're overwhelmed, you're facing a lot of new things, and there's some legal papers that you should probably get done to establish guardianship, get your estate plan in order, and it's nice to have somebody who's a phone call away who can help you do all that.
I don't think I knew that you had 6 children. Now I get it why you always seem so together. It's because you have 6 kids. Okay, what's number?
I have a wife doing all the work at home. Yep.
Yeah. Are we on number 5 then?
No, we're on number 4. The next one is workplace injury. Another situation where it comes out of the blue and people are involved in that. And, it's surprising how many people call me after a workplace injury and they're a week or 2 out from the injury and they really haven't told their employer about it. They haven't started a claim, and that creates a lot of problems. So if you have a relationship with a firm that you know who to call right away to get some advice, again, it's free of charge. It's just a phone call, and we're here to answer any questions you might have. And so a workplace injury is something that comes out of nowhere, and it's good to have someone you can call.
Great point. What about the last one, number 5?
Last one, we got big family changes that can be happening. A lot of us are going through job changes for one or both adults in our family. We might have a new marriage or a death in the family, things that kind of shake up the order of our family. It's really nice to have someone there we can talk to who knows where we've been and what our plan was and how it might be affected by this change.
So let's say you don't have one of those changes or a workplace injury or some of the other things you mentioned, but you want to have a law firm for life, yet you don't have a case or a legal matter. How do you establish that relationship?
Really, the best way to do it is get in. One thing that everybody needs that we've talked about before, Molly, is everybody needs at least a basic estate plan. So come on in, sit down with us, get to know us. We can talk about what you might need as far as an estate plan is concerned. There's no charge for that meeting, and it gives both sides a level of comfort so that if something else happens, you can call me and I can say, yeah, we got a lawyer at our firm who handles auto accidents or criminal matters or whatever else might come up.
And Mike, lastly, what's something you should consider when you're choosing a law firm for life?
Well, I think what you should consider certainly is experience. A firm that has been around a long time. We've been here since 1960 and handle thousands of cases in Wisconsin, and we have a lot of clients who keep coming back to us. So I think it's important to try to find a firm that has a good history, a good track record, and I think we do, and we can help in many different things.
It's such a great case for why it's important to have law partners for life. Thanks to both of you so much for your time today.
Yeah, happy Thanksgiving, Molly.
Yeah, thank you.
Happy Thanksgiving to both of you too. And to schedule a free virtual or an in-person consultation with the partners at McClario, Helm, Bertling, and Spiegel, you can go to their website. It's mcclario.com.